Hey friends, welcome to another quick Excel tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to apply filters on your spreadsheet. This makes it super easy to just see lines and data that you want without all the other mess. Now I've got a really simple spreadsheet here, but it's going to give us a good way of filtering things so you can clearly see it. What we're going to do is we're going to come over here. I'm just going to click anywhere here in my spreadsheet and then make sure you're up here on the data tab. And then we're going to come over here, and as you can see, we've got this little filter option. Now watch how powerful Excel makes this. Once I click this, what happens is all of my headers now get this little down arrow. If you don't have headers, I highly suggest using them because Excel automatically recognizes that that's what you're using and will then add those little arrows so you can filter things. Now, there's a couple of ways that, again, Excel makes this really, really powerful. In this case, I want to go ahead and filter by teams. I just want to see my data for team A. So what I can do is I can come over here, I can click on the little down arrow, and then I can come down here, and as you can see, I have an option to select all, or what it does is it recognizes each of the data that's represented in the column and allows you to select only that. If I click on this is going to deselect everything, and then what I want to do instead is just see team A, just like that. As you can see, as soon as I do that, I'm going to move this over here, we can always X out of it. Team A will then show up. Now again, you can see there's a little red indicators over here showing you that, hey, some filtering has happened. Now remember, the data is not deleted, it's simply hidden so that you can view this as easy as possible. When you're ready to clear the filter, you can either select more lines to see everything, or in this case, we can actually just hit clear filter. That will bring it back to its original setting, and I can go ahead and X out of this. One other thing I want to show you, again, just so you can see how great Excel is with this. Let's say we have a column that has dates. If I click this down arrow, you can see that it automatically recognizes that format and then will categorize things so you can easily select the specific data, again, in that date format. I can actually select just January's numbers. And again, you can dig really, really deep into this. You can see how many subcategories that Excel will actually give you depending on how robust your data is. So pretty cool stuff, pretty easy to use. If you're ever ready to delete those filters, just come up here and click that filter button. And as you can see, those drop down arrows disappear. That's the basics for filtering in Excel, friends. I hope that's helped. If it has, hit that thumbs up button. Stay tuned. We're making a ton of these little tutorials to make your life just a little bit easier. Subscribe. We'll see you again on the next one.